Hit that subscribe button to never miss my plant-based recipes and videos. So we're gonna make a really simple sandwich that both adults and kids will love. It's a peanut butter and jam roll-up. But what we're gonna do that's different is we're gonna amp up the protein in it by adding some chickpeas to this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take about 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, about half a cup of cooked chickpeas, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and then we're also gonna use aquafaba. If you don't know what aquafaba is, it's the juice inside of a can of chickpeas. So this is a 1/4 cup. I don't think we're gonna wanna use it all. So I'm gonna start by just adding about half of it in. And then as we mix it together, we'll find out if the consistency is right. Great. It doesn't need to be pretty. It's just gonna be a big, chunky mixture. Anyway, that's pretty great. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna assemble our roll-up. You just take a regular tortilla. We're gonna take some of that peanut butter mixture and put it on top. Make it a nice even spread all the way around. We're gonna use that chia jam that we made earlier. And same thing, just plop it on top and just smear it all over. This is where you can use whatever fruit you've got. I'm gonna use grapes cut in half, as well as banana slices. And then we're just gonna put it all over. Next, the grapes. And then, we're just gonna roll it up. I'm gonna slice that in half. And that is a peanut butter and jam roll-up. You can eat this right away. You can put it in a lunch for later. It's good to go. It's creamy, it's sweet. You don't notice the chickpeas in there. It blends right in, but it's gonna amp up the protein. Delicious. Go to pbwithj.ca for these recipes and more. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and click that notification bell.